Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it, like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called the battery and select it. And as you can see right here under the battery level, we have the battery saver option. Select it. And we can turn on the power saving mode by tapping on the switch right here. And now the power saving mode is enabled, and that's how it looks like. You have access to time and the step counter. And to disable the battery saver, you need to press and hold on the screen, and it will basically bring you back to the normal watch face after a second or two. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.